Let's work now and try this on your own 6. So problem 6a, graph the quadratic function y equals x squared plus 4x minus 1 and complete the table below using your calculator. So here you're given the function y equals x squared. Let's just clear the calculator. Second quit. Okay. So again, let's enter this one on the calculator, y equals. So that's the first thing you want to press in the calculator, y equals. So let's clear what you have there. So you have now x squared plus 4x minus 1. Okay, and the next thing you need to press on the calculator is press second, then graph. Look at the table of values. Okay, so I want to access the table of values, so I have to press. So the table is colored blue, so I have to press second, graph. Okay, now here you have to be very intentional when choosing the values of your table. Okay, so on the class discussion 6, we notice a very good pattern on the y values. So let's use that one. So when you try to look at here, I'm looking at a matching. So try to see whether there's a match on this one and try to find where is that point that has no match. Okay, because you're gonna be able to see the complete graph if you see this pattern here, no match, and the rest are matching values of y. Okay, so I'm just showing that in the class discussion 6. So let's examine now where's the point that has no match and the rest are matching values. Okay, let's now check our calculator. So here I see -5. Okay, so I mean this, let's scroll up just to see here. Okay, I see a pattern now. So here I see -4, -4 match, -1, -1 match, +4, 4, 11, 11 match. The one that has no match is this one. So this one has no match. Okay, so I'll try to make that as my center on the table. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will have it on that third. Okay, on number 3. So the one that has no match is -2, -5. So -2, -5. So this is the one that has no match. Then this one is matching here. Okay. So we have now -3, -4, which is actually matching with -1, -4, and I see -4, -1, -4, -1. A match for that is no, -4, -1, so 0, -1. So the match is 0, -1. And then we have -5, +4, -5, +4. The match is 1, 4. Okay, so I'm looking at on the calculator. So those are the table of the values that I picked from the calculator. Again, you have to be very intentional in choosing your values for your table. Otherwise, you will not be able to complete to see the complete graph of the parabola if you will not pick the right points. Okay, so let's now graph this one. So we have -5, 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4. So this is -5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my -5, 4. Then -4, -1. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. -1 is down. So this is the second point. And we have -3, -4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Okay, -2, -5. So we have -2. So going left. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 down. And then we have -1, -4. So -1, then down 4. Okay, and then 0, -1, 0, -1 should be here. And then 1, 4. So this is 1, then 4. Okay, so this would be our points. Then simply connect the points here, and this would be the graph of the parabola. Okay, so this one is defined by the equation y equals x squared plus 4x minus 1. Okay, so that's how it's very easy to graph if you try to pick the right points. Then these are the things I want you to pick up: the one with no match, and the rest are matching values of y. Okay, let's now answer the think, write, and share. Okay, so we have question number 1. How did you choose the values for your table? I would say that I picked the point with no matching value of y, and then pick how many? 3 more points. 3 more points that has that have matching points that have matching values of y. So I pick the point with no matching value of y, and then pick 3 more points that have matching values of y. Okay, I would say 3 more pair of points, 3 more pair of points that have matching values of y. Okay, so I'm talking about, I have this one and this one and this. These are matching 3 pairs of matching 3 points that have matching points values of y. Let's just erase this one. Pairs so 3 more pairs of points that have matching values of y. Now, what are the coordinates of the lowest point on your graph? Now, when you try to look at the graph, I would say that this one is the lowest point, and this one is the one that has no match, which is actually at -2, -5. Okay, the lowest point on the graph. So the lowest point on the graph is -2, -5. Now, do you know another name for this point? Now, the other name for this point is the lowest point. We call this one as the vertex. The vertex or the minimum point. So that's the other term for the lowest point. The vertex could have the lowest point, or it could have the minimum. Is the lowest is at the minimum point of the graph. Okay.